Hello, this is Gary Barnes from Creative Hands Home Services. 301-736-0061 is our office number. And Creative Hands for you.com is our website. That's Creative Hands, the number 4u.com is our website. And our email address is admin@creativehands4u.com. And we're back here in Northwest Washington rehab that we're performing the work on. And what you see here is crown molding, trim molding for walls and windows, for doors and windows. And we put it, just to cut down on time, we put a coat of paint on all of our trim before we put it up, as long as there's time. So we've got a little time here. So we paint everything first and put it up. And the difference between painting the trim while it's on the ground and painting it when it's up in the air is about 1/3 to 1/4 the time. So you see the trim laying here on the floor. These are 16 footers laying up here on the seat, and it takes about 8 minutes to paint one of these when they're down on the floor. Once it goes up in the air, it's a different ball game. There's touch up and moving the chairs, moving your stands around, that type of thing. So we try to be as efficient as possible. So the trim actually arrived here today, and it'll probably go up before the evening is over. It'll all be up. First coat is on. I'm gonna dry. Put a second coat on. All together might take about 1 hour and 15 minutes to paint all the trim, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, there's a few more outside. So altogether it might take about 1 hour and a half to get 2 coats on, where that would be much longer if we waited till we get it up. So again, Gary Barnes, Creative Hands Home Services. 301-736-0061 is our office number. Admin@creativehands, the number 4u.com is our email and our website. Creative Hands, www.creativehands4u.com. Look forward to making you a customer in the near future. Thank you.